Alright, so as I mentioned on my previous videos, I'm gonna be adding some mods to my Indian Scout, and I decided to get this slip-on top performance. And this is the medium baffle, so they have a loud, a medium, and a quiet one. I got the medium one just because I did like how my MT-09 sounded, but at times I wish it was a little bit quieter if I was in a little bit of a longer travel. So inside the box, we basically just get the slip-on and two little screws. It shouldn't be too hard to install. I've seen a video, they have a video on their YouTube channel, so I'm not gonna make a video on the install. But basically, I just gotta unscrew the old one, unscrew a clamp that's here, and then put in the new one, and put in a clamp. And as you guys can see, for size comparison, it's a lot smaller than the original one. Hopefully with it installed and everything went well, you guys will hear it at the end of this video. Original Indian Scout pipe.